Hey guys, today's video shows you how to get Black Myth Wukong for free, an incredible game where you play as a monkey, bro. But, I have to tell you something, Black Myth Wukong costs like $60, so I'm going to show you guys how to get it 100% for free. There's a website called OG Snags. They have a bunch of discount codes for different services mostly, but they actually, for some reason, I found this, have Black Myth Wukong game codes, so you can get the whole game for free. So go to the top where it says search coupons and deals and just type in Black Myth or something like that and use Wukong gaming code. Press on this and now it says unlock the exclusive game code where you get to experience the journey of the Monkey King, bro. And as you can see, 50 people got the code today, and as you can see, it expires in 3 days, so we need to hurry up and take advantage of this opportunity. So I'm gonna go ahead and press show coupon code and we're just gonna wait for it to load. So once it loads up, it's gonna say coupon valid, so just go ahead and press get full code. And now it's gonna say like, what do you like about shopping, I guess. Kind of weird, but just pick any of these, it doesn't make a difference, I've tried. And then it says time to get started, we use your email to notify you. So you need to put your email in, because obviously they're gonna notify you with your code, they're gonna send it to your email. So after you do that, you might have to fill out some information. I'm not gonna do this in the video, but I took a screenshot for you so you can see what it looks like. It's totally safe, guys, you can go ahead and read all about it. But after you do that, you may be seeing a page like this. There's usually like a little survey. After the survey, you might see a page like this where it says follow instructions to earn your reward. And it says complete one deal to continue. So they got this Monopoly Go deal, board level 10. So that's how you get the free Black Myth Wukong code. You gotta do the deal. This one's free, as you can see. If you see one that costs like $1, you can just ignore it. Just do whichever one is free. So this Monopoly Go one is like a game in the App Store, and I have to reach board level 10. So I'm gonna see you guys later, and that's how you basically get free Black Myth Wukong.